So you clicked on this video because you're wondering if Paimon is a legal lolly, or the thumbnail baited you in for reasons unknown. So let's get straight into it. Usually these legal lollies, they have some bullshit backup story of them being 1,000 years old. But not in this case, I'm afraid. In fact, Paimon doesn't even have an age, or at least doesn't specify anyways. I tried looking through some Wikipedias, and even went as far as Reddit, but nothing canon showed up. Wait. Don't go looting her yet. Just because her age isn't specified, there's another question you should ask yourself. Is this moral? Well, let's take a deeper look into Paimon. Small hands, small feet, like a child. High-pitched voice, broken grammar? Oh, guess what? It's almost like she's a child. Possesses a lot of knowledge that could have only been accumulated over years of experience and study like a scholar. Possesses powers linked to gods, like a fucking demigod or some shit. Literally shines like a star at times, like a god. I'ma go on a hunch here and say that she's very old. Where's my proof? Unlimited knowledge. The powers linked to gods, or being the mascot of Genshin. Because technically, it'd be child labor to make her do all this crap. But even in the off chance that she's a minor, somewhere under 12, she seems like she's 10, and no matter what country you're in, it'll never be legal to sexualize someone or some god that young. But come on, guys. I like milkers as much as the next guy, but not on the lollies. Why do you look at the cute cosmic lolly character and think, wow, I'm gonna loot her? Don't call her a pocket, oh no. Don't put her in a jar for God's sake. Keep her off Rule 34 and you'll be fine. You won't have the cops on your ass, alright?